Ever wondered how people make $1,000 a month online without any huge following? Today, I'm showing you step by step how I went from $0 to $1,000 using Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss these social media money hacks. First, Instagram. Focus on micro niches like study tips, fashion hacks, or tech gadgets. Post consistently, engage with followers, and use affiliate links in your bio. Even with just 500 followers, you can start earning. Next, TikTok. Viral content is key. Use trending sounds and create relatable short videos. Once you hit 1,000 followers, you can join the Creator Fund or promote products to make money directly. Finally, YouTube. Start with short tutorials or tips videos. Monetization doesn't require millions of subscribers. Consistency and smart SEO matter more. Even ads on small videos can add up. Here's some insider advice. Repost content across all platforms. Engage with your audience every day. Track what content earns the most and double down on it. If you want my full content plan for 30 days that guarantees results, check the link in the description below. Remember, social media is not just for scrolling. It's a real income source if you play it smart. Try it, and I'll see you in the next video.